In this video tutorial, I will show you how to animate 2D images with a similar 3D parallax effect directly into Premiere Pro. We will use AI to convert the image to a 3D mesh for this task. Then, using my free Motion Bro plugin, we will import the resulting 3D mesh into Premiere Pro and animate it. Well, make sure you have the latest version of Premiere Pro and my free Motion Bro plugin installed. And let's start the tutorial. So open the Motion Bro plugin and activate the Parallax Tools package. In these categories, you can choose which type of animation to use. This category contains presets that allow you to create a similar looping animation with a 3D effect in a few clicks. This category has several dozen presets with smooth camera animation, creating a stylish parallax effect for your image. This category contains several effects that you can add to your 3D image. We will use this AI service to convert our image to a 3D mesh. Drag and drop the image here, submit it, and download the final 3D model. To avoid confusion, give the file a clear name. Due to the limitations of the AI service, the resulting model has a texture quality corresponding to full HD resolution. If you want to maintain the original quality of the texture, use my Blender script, which automatically replaces the texture of the 3D model. Learn more about the Blender script in this short video tutorial. Go back to Premiere Pro, and in the Motion Bro plugin, go to the Import section. Here, click the Import AI-generated GLB file. In the Import window that appears, select the downloaded GLB file. The 3D model of the image was successfully imported into the timeline. Now you can apply a ready-to-use animation preset to the 3D model. To do this, select the 3D model clip and apply any preset from the current category. Depending on the geometry of the 3D image, you may need to customize the animation so that such fake edges are visible as little as possible. To do this, select the 3D model clip and open the Essential Graphics panel. First, you can reduce the distance multiplier value to shorten the camera's path. Secondly, if you can see empty areas outside the 3D model in the frame, try increasing the camera zoom a little. Finally, place the scene center point in the most appropriate location. This way, you can change the center of the camera's orbit and the point relative to which the field of view expands. If you want to modify the applied animation preset, you can do that too. Go to the sections marked as Animation. Here you can customize the camera animation further by changing all available parameters. To apply presets from the Effects category, select the 3D image clip with a fully customized animation. Now apply any effect preset. The Media Holder preset allows you to add footage or titles to the 3D image. To do this, apply the preset and drop your media here in the Essential Graphics panel. All that remains is to improve the position and size of the media holder. Well, that's all. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new video tutorials and products for motion design. This was Video Lancer. Bye!